Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
The influence of social media on public opinion is both profound and unprecedented. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook have transformed the landscape of communication, becoming the modern-day town squares where opinions are formed and voiced. First, social media breaks down barriers to information dissemination. It allows for the rapid spread of information, enabling anyone with an internet connection to stay updated on global events. This democratization of information empowers individuals, but it also requires a critical eye to navigate the vast sea of content and distinguish between fact and fiction. Second, social media has a unique power to mobilize. It can unite individuals around causes, as seen in movements like #MeToo, which gained momentum through viral social media campaigns, highlighting issues that may otherwise receive limited attention in traditional media outlets. As we engage with social media, let's be mindful of its power to shape our perceptions and the importance of fostering.
Let's unfold the realm of literature and its profound impact on society. Literature is not just an escape, it's a mirror that reflects our realities, a lens that sharpens our worldview. Literature fosters empathy. When we dive into the narratives of characters from diverse backgrounds, we live a multitude of lives. This vicarious experience enriches our understanding of others, bridging gaps across cultures and experiences. Furthermore, literature is a catalyst for social change. It has the power to challenge norms, to question policies, and to push boundaries. The works of authors like Harriet Beecher Stowe and George Orwell have spurred movements and reformed societies. As we engage with literature, let us recognize its role in shaping the contours of society. In the pages of books, we find the seeds of the future, sown with words that can move nations. As we embark on this intellectual voyage, let us turn our gaze to the microscopic universe that thrives within and all around us, the microbial world. These microorganisms are the unsung heroes of our planet, essential to the Earth's life cycles. They are not merely passengers in the journey of life, they are its engineers, facilitating processes from digestion in our bodies to nutrient cycling in the oceans. Furthermore, the study of microbes opens a window to biotechnology's potential, offering solutions to pressing problems like waste management and sustainable energy. The power of microorganisms is harnessed in bioreactors to clean our water and in the soil to enhance agricultural productivity. As we stand at the threshold of our careers, let's acknowledge the profound impact of these tiny, yet mighty organisms. By exploring and understanding the microbial world, we can unlock secrets to both sustaining and enhancing life on our planet. Let's dive into this miniature cosmos, for even the smallest life forms hold keys to the grandest of questions.
Carbon dioxide, or Colorado-2, is the main greenhouse gas in climate change. So how does CO2 get into our atmosphere? Well, carbon is part of a cycle. It starts with the sun, which heats the Earth's surface with more energy in 1 hour than the whole world uses in a year. Plants, which are kind of like biological chefs, take that sunlight, and then suck in some CO2 from the air, mix them together, and bam! They create a stored form of energy, in the form of carbohydrates such as glucose and sucrose. The process is called photosynthesis. When animals like us eat those plants, our stomachs convert that food back into energy for our own growth. Greenhouse gases are a byproduct of this process, and are released through waste. If those plants die, they decompose, and tiny microorganisms break down those carbohydrates and again, release greenhouse gases as a byproduct. As you see, energy originates from the sun. It is then transferred as it moves through the food chain. But sometimes, carbon-based organisms like plants or animals get stuck in the earth.
In the midst of our academic pursuits, let us not overlook a fundamental truth: the profound connection between diet and mental health. What we eat fuels not only our bodies but also our minds. Nutritional psychiatry is an emerging field revealing how our dietary choices impact our mood and mental well-being. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, for example, are not merely good for the heart but are also linked to reduced rates of depression. Additionally, the gut-brain axis presents a fascinating narrative of communication between our digestive systems and mental states. The microbiome in our intestines may influence everything from our stress levels to our thought processes, making balanced, mindful eating an essential component of mental fitness. As we navigate the complexities of college life, let us be mindful of the sustenance we choose. A well-nourished body can be the vessel of a well-nourished mind, enabling us to reach the zenith of our intellectual and emotional capacities.